Hello Minecrafters. Query solved in this video. Now let's jump into the video. A important step is shown in last, so watch till the last second. Just type Aternos in your browser and this will show up. I also gave the link in the description below. This works to all releases like Bedrock Edition, Java Edition, etc. You can sign in either using a Google account or a Facebook account. Once you configured your server, it is ready to be started. You can see the IP address and the port of your server. Share these details with your friends and have a fun game together. Here is the important part of this video. Sometimes you need to wait for 20 to 50 minutes to start the server, which is a little boring thing. Don't worry, we got you covered. What you need to do is a simple process. You should use any VPN application and connect to a country which is outer your continent. For example, I live in India, which belongs to Asian continent, so I need to connect to United States, which belongs to North American continent. This will decrease the waiting time from 50 minutes to 1 to 5 minutes. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button and hit the subscribe